Hello everyone. So our next topic is all about the color spaces. Before we actually start, let me read all these points actually that is very important. Okay. So color spaces are a way to represent the color channels which are present in your image, which gives you the image particular hue. Some of the popular color spaces are RGB, that is for red, green, blue, CMYK, that is for cyan, magenta, yellow and black, then HSV, that is hue, saturation and value, etc. Okay. And BGR color space. Okay, so OpenCV's default color space is RGB. However, it actually stores colors in the BGR format, which is an additive color model where you will find different intensities of blue, green and what red, and also it gives you different shades of color. So now let me start with the program. We have import cv2, then we have one variable image equal to cv2 dot imread, and we have used this image 1.png. Let me show you that image also. This is 1.png. Yeah, this one we have used purposely because we are going to check the color spaces of red color. This is blue color, or somewhere blue and also here green color. Okay, and you will find the differences also. So back to the program of this. Uh, See, uh, using imshow now obviously we know about this imshow. First, we will display our original image. Once we closed that window, we will find the same image, but the uh, blue color section, okay, that represent blue color part, okay, that will be with the white color section. And same way, when we will close that part, again that one more window will open, and in that the green color section will be white, and then red color section will be white. Okay, and then again destroy all the windows. So control S, okay, F5. First of all, this is our original image. Okay, then when we close this, see your blue section part. This is blue highlighting. You can see highlighting blue. Then this is green color part which is also highlighting, and then red. This was the red color part which is also what highlighting. So this is all about color spaces in OpenCV Python. Thank you everyone.